Gator. Is that a gator straight in front of us? Huh? It looks like it. It's moving. I like how we paddle straight for it. That's my favorite part. It is? Oh yeah, it is. Holy shit. Oh yeah. You take the inside, we'll take the outside. Right up until you get on top of him. He's like, hey guys, were y'all the ones messing around in the turf over here? Y'all think that's pretty cool? Are you staying that course? You're an idiot. Oh, you're an idiot. Yeah, let's watch BJ get eaten. No, don't. I'm leaning right and turning left. It looks so damn far away in this. Huh? There's DJ. Oh, he's gone. Right before you went over the top of him. Please let him come back up right now, right next to you. And look at that.